Is it true? Is this really the end for you saying, Goku? Are you finished?
Dearest my lord, is there something you wish to say?
Here it comes.
Goku is focused only on Jiren, rather than battle itself. Concerns for his universe, the gap in their powers, his hesitation, his impatience, his fear. He has given them all to the fight and let them burn.
He's got Goku pinned down. And look where Goku is standing.
It's a ring fragment with nothing else beneath it. He falls, he's done.
Then what's the answer? There's gotta be something he could do!
No more talk. Just shut your mouths and watch.
Alright, Jiren. Real fight starts now.